Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today I have a vintage bead kit from 1998, and here's the front. And this one's been open. And I'm gonna have to remove the kit to show you the back. So it says I love beads on all the sides. Okay, I'm gonna have to hopefully this stays. But here's the back. Oh wait, I lied. This one's from 2000. I have one that's from 98. That'll probably be the next video. Alright, now, wait, maybe I should take, you know what, I'm going to have to put this down for a second. Can't do it one-handed. Whoa. Okay, it has some glitter butterflies. Some fun different shapes and prints. Some metallic beads. Mini pony beads. Letter beads. Some fun designs. Some like spacer beads. I like these. And some hearts. And then it has string on both sides. But it is missing a few beads, but most of them all sorry, excuse me. Most of them are all here. Yes. I can't wait to use these now that I made this video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.